Hello, YouTube. I'm about to do something stupid. Do not do this at home. Like I'm about to do. So, my grandmother, who's absolutely the coolest grandmother I ever had in my life, gave me an early Christmas gift. This nose ring. It looks kind of like 3 in 1. And a tongue ring. You guessed it. I haven't had my tongue pierced in about 4 years. No, my son is 5. I took it out when I was 5 months pregnant. So 5 years, give or take a month or 2. He just turned 5 last month. So I was like, thanks Grandma for the tongue ring, even though my tongue isn't pierced anymore. But I would like for it to be. Let me try something. So, go on YouTube and I look up how to re-pierce your own tongue. Plenty of videos. Great. They make it look so easy. And there's one dude talking about re-piercing their tongue after 4 years. He took and just, there's not even any sound on the video. He takes the thing and just, you know, I'm not about to do that. I'm not crazy. My tongue will not fit this tongue ring yet. But that's about to change, because let me show you this. I went and got an old bar and stretched it out. Came in here and did this. Problem is, I can't get all the way through because of this flat piece right there. I don't know if you can see it good. Let me see. Focus, camera, focus. It won't focus. Anyway, it's a flat piece. And yeah, I can't get that part through. But I can also do this. Problem is, I can't get this flat piece to go through. Doesn't hurt at all. I didn't even flinch. If I can get my tongue ring in, I'll be so cool. So, I got me some Listerine. What was I gonna do with those? Nothing. And a cup. Mouthwash. Forgive my retainer for being down there. I'm gonna play with it for a few seconds and I'm gonna come right back. I might have to get bold and just, but I don't want a sore tongue tomorrow. I don't want my tongue to be all and swollen, because this is not a piercer ring. It's just a ring she went and bought. I don't have the piercing bar that leaves room for the swelling. So, as a matter of fact, I'm bold. I'm bold. I'm gonna do it on camera. Maybe it'll give me a little nerve. Ooh. I don't know how I'm gonna do what I do on camera, because I'm only using one hand. But y'all saw that, right? I gotta talk myself up. Y'all saw that, right? How I went in with no problem. So I'm gonna try this again. It's disinfected with Listerine. This is so hard. Okay. Let's see what happens if I just, I'm so scared. If I drop my phone, I'm gonna freak out. Here we go. Yeah. Oh my God, yeah. Huh. Okay. The damn gone ball just fell, which is a good thing because I didn't disinfect it. You got, I can't believe I got it through. Hold on. I just want to put you on hold instead of pause the video because I want everyone who watches this to know that I really did it myself. It wasn't bad at all. So forgive me for my camera being laid to the side. I'm trying to get the ball on. And you guys, it's in. It just scared me more than it hurt. I'll say that. I guess YouTube gave me some balls. Literally. Okay, so it's the back end. My son is 5, you guys. It's been 5 years or so because I was definitely pregnant when I took it out and threw it across the room. Face was swollen, pregnant stuff. Yuck. It's in. Okay. Upload. Peace. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any more crazy stuff though.